brought you a train table. I can't believe my eyes. You gonna push him around, baby? Here you go. Oh. Chase, do you love your train table?
Yeah, put that on the train table and push it around, baby.
Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Do you love it?
Yes, I really do.
Remember when you saw this in the store and you told Santa you wanted it? He got it for you!
Is that so fun?
Chase, say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Look over here.
Look over at Daddy.
Look at Daddy's hand.
I like it.
You probably have to take some of the trains off.
There's lots of trains.
So many trains on there.
Have you ever seen so many trains in all your life?
Is this a train?
Yeah.
This is funny. What's a train?